Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01850 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called C #score. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So here one table called demonstration table, which contains column name intervals of data type interval day to seconds type. Okay, now let me insert one value to the demonstration table. I am inserting one value, that is interval. See here one error is getting thrown. So ORA-01850 hour must be between 0 and 23. So this interval format is wrong. Okay, so 25 days 33 hours is invalid interval type. Okay, so 25 days I am setting correct value. 25 days 23 hours. So now it's correct. Okay, so make sure that you have supplied the correct interval format. Okay, so check the Oracle documentation for interval formats for day to science, something like that. Okay, so this will fix the ORA-01850 hour must be between